What's up, guys? I just got this new FLAGPOWER 20 volt battery adapter. The model number is DCA1820. It's meant for Dewalt 18 volt tools, and it's pretty much an adapter that fits in any 18 volt Dewalt tool, and you can stick in a 20 volt lithium ion battery. So it's pretty cool. Comes with a 1-year warranty, 30-day money back. Pretty neat. So this is the battery that you can stick in. I'm going to stick this 20 volt lithium ion battery made by Dewalt in this adapter and plug it into a few 18 volt tools, such as this one on top, some saws, a light, a bunch of other tools, hacksaw. So that's an 18 volt. We're not going to use that. Nope. And we're going to stick a 20 volt battery from the newer tools, Dewalt tools, in the old tools and see if it works. So first up, we're going to stick it into this drill. So let's open this guy up and try it out. So as I open it up, it feels pretty Dewalt-y kind of material. It feels just like Dewalt plastic, pretty much. Looks pretty identical. This model is a DCA 1820. Snaps on right in there, fits perfectly, and doesn't come out, so that's pretty neat. It uses the built-in tool clips on the actual tool. Then you can slide on the 20 volt adapter, and let's see if it works. Now this tool is the DW988 cordless drill, and as we press it, the power comes on. It works just like it's supposed to. Pretty cool. And running off that 20 volt lithium ion pretty much revived this tool. Really neat. Now we're going to try it in a saw. So just plug it in there. Again, it'll snap right in. And I'm trying to do this one hand, so it's kind of difficult. Bear with me. So there's the battery. Sliding it in, it snaps right in, so it's kind of locked in place. Now I'm pressing the safety button and I am activating it. Yep, and it works just like it should. Pretty neat. And again, this is the DW939, so it works in that. Now let's try it in a flashlight. This is the DW919 flashlight. There we go. And we get light. Even though this Dewalt tool really sucks, it works. It revived it. Now let's try it in the DW933. I'm going to plug it into the back. Clips right in perfectly fine. Just like my other tools. There we go. And yep, it's working. This adapter really does do magic, like it's reviving all my tools I had from the past. Which is really convenient because now that everybody moved to lithium ion, kind of left these old tools kind of hanging, so really helps out. I'm going to try the DW938. There we go, snaps right in. Now with this one, it's kind of hard to tell, but I'm actually pressing it, and inside you'll see the thing moving back and forth. There it is. Yep, it's working. Yeah, I would definitely recommend all my friends who have the Dewalt 18 volt tools can get one of these FLAGPOWER 20 volt adapters and just put them on their tools, man. It'll revive them, so it's totally worth it. Now the last tool I'm going to try is the DCA1820 cordless drill. There we go. Snaps right in, doesn't fall off. It's pretty secure. That's a really nice part of this adapter. Now I'm turning it on. There it is, it turns on. Definitely would recommend this. And I wouldn't buy it from Dewalt themselves because it's overpriced. And this one's pretty reasonably priced, the FLAGPOWER one. That's why I bought it. And it works with my tools, so I'm pretty happy. Again, it's the DCA1820. Pretty neat. Now it is pretty secure on there, so it's not going to fall off, so bear with me. Takes two hands to take it off. And yep, has the right terminals. Everything fits perfectly fine. Again, I would recommend to anybody who has 18 volt Dewalt tools, get one of these guys. Works for these tools right here. Tested all of them right here in this video, and they all work, which is pretty amazing. Like, I'm surprised. And there's my original one, the DCD771. No more NiCad batteries, the thick ones. Lithium ion all the way, using this adapter. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video helped you out, feel free to like and subscribe. Thank you, and see you in the next video.